Hi, what are your plans for your Christmas dinner? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a Christmas centerpiece, which is a Garland centerpiece, and also my tablescape for Christmas. So please stay tuned. Hi, this is Ejiro of Ejiro Celebrations, a floral and event design company based in Nashville, Tennessee. On this channel, we share wedding planning tips, floral and event design, inspiration, and DIY party decoration. So today, we're going to be making a centerpiece to complement this lovely garland. And to find out how I made this garland, it's going to be linked in the description below. So please stay tuned. For this centerpiece, we're going to be using our table scissors, wire cutter, and some wires. I'm going to be using silver picks, a garland, pine garland, some other flower picks to also complement this garland, ornaments, and some glitter eucalyptus. First, this is like a 6-foot garland. I want the centerpiece to be lush, so I'm just going to put it together before we start putting in our accessories. So what do you think? Beautiful, right? So I'm now going to go ahead and make my table for Christmas dinner. So let's see how it turns out with the table setting. Okay. I love it. So now that we've completed the garland, we're going to go ahead and make our dinner table. what do you think? I love it. The rich chandelier, the garland, the tablescape, the white and blue color, I love it. So if you love this video, please share with your friends. Click on the subscribe button so that you can get notification whenever I post a video like this. And Merry Christmas!